The Land Rover Defender has long been known as a rugged, go-anywhere off-roader with an iconic boxy silhouette. But what if we told you that this British classic just got a glamorous open-air makeover? Say hello to a custom Defender convertible that blends luxury, aggression, and sun-soaked style in a way no factory version has ever dared. While Land Rover itself doesn't offer a convertible Defender, that hasn't stopped Heritage Customs, a Dutch coach builder, from stepping in to fill the void. Their handcrafted soft-top conversion is now featured on this standout Defender 90, showcased by UK-based tuning house Urban Automotive. The result? A head-turning machine equally at home cruising Dubai's sand dunes or along the chic promenades of Marbella. Visually, this isn't your average Defender. Urban Automotive has layered on a wide-body kit, adding flared fenders, an aggressively styled vented hood, and unique LED daytime running lights that make a bold impression. Touches of carbon fiber on the mirror caps and front aeroflicks add a motorsport-inspired flair, while 23-inch Urban WX2R wheels wrapped in Yokohama Advanced sport tires complete the aggressive stance. But let's talk about that roof. The highlight of this build is the convertible transformation, featuring a folding soft top and roll bars just behind the rear seats for added structural integrity and safety. It's a rare and dramatic modification that turns the Defender from adventure rig into sun-chasing showstopper. Inside, the transformation continues. The cabin is drenched in Hermes orange leather, covering everything from the Recaro carbon fiber bucket seats to the dashboard and steering wheel. The rear seats share the same luxury finish, giving the entire interior a designer fashion feel more commonly found in high-end supercars than utility vehicles. The result is both bold and divisive. Some will love the loud leather and over-the-top styling. Others might prefer the Defender's utilitarian roots. But one thing's certain, this Defender commands attention. The cost? Urban hasn't disclosed the total price tag, but with Heritage Customs' roof conversion alone costing €85,000 or nearly $99,000, this Defender is clearly built for a select few. Add in all the carbon, wheels, and leather, and you're looking at a six-figure custom masterpiece.